friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bentley Diddley Has Plans. In today's video, we are taking a look at my latest sticker haul from Fern Creek Stickers and Planner Kate. So let's take a peek. Alrighty friends, so I was waiting for my Planner Kate kits to come in because I just wanted to do this all in one video. I had these Fern Creek Stickers ones. This order came in like maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, and so this one came in today, and so we're going to take a look at both of these. So let's get started with Fern Creek Stickers. Alrighty, so first of all, we have her business card. She has a code, thanks15, for 15% off your orders, and then this is where you can find her website and then on Instagram, just at Fern Creek Stickers. So that's that. And then this was the freebie I got. This is the Big Dreams freebie. Ooh, that's pretty. I like this. This kit is so pretty. Wait till you see this. Aw, FCS Happy Mail and new releases. That's cute. So a couple of scripts here, Friendsgiving, Thanksgiving. Oh, I like the holidays here. That's perfect because I use them. You have to have holidays for your monthly, and then when it takes place during the week, I like having the holidays marked there too. And then these cute boxes. That's a nice freebie. Okay, so let's start with, let's see, I've got here, let me kind of get these in order here by kit so we can look at them all at once. Okay, this is kit 185. It's called Cute Halloween, and it is just that. It's really cute. I tend to go more for the cute Halloween stuff, not the spooky stuff. So this is perfect. And I liked having a little bit of purple in there. The orange and black I love, of course. Traditional Halloween colors, but I like having the pinks and the purples, kind of that fuchsia in there. So this is what I'm going to use for my budget. So I ordered the plum paper headers because I know these will work with a little bit of sticker surgery in my Happy Planner budget book. So I have that, and then I have the savings tracker, and I have the sinking funds tracker, and then I bought some additional washi just to have in setting up these tracking pages. So look at this washi here. I love that. Isn't that pretty? I love that with like little bats and black cats. So again, that's 185 and it's called Cute Halloween. So that's going to be my October budget. And then I have here, this is kit 191 and this is the Big Dream. So this is what the freebie coordinated with. You can kind of see some of the pattern there. So this is going to be also my November budget. Isn't this pretty? I loved this washi. And this color here, this kind of taupey color is really pretty. So there's that monthly page. And then again, the savings tracker. I love this. This is so pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? Sinking funds. And I love this slate blue. That's really pretty. And then we have here just extra washi, the thin washi. Which, by the way, this thin washi is sized perfectly to cover the green headers on my monthly cleaning page in my plum paper. But isn't that pretty? I really like that. And then I did order some happy birthday scripts. I had run out of my ones from Saya, which I will reorder from Saya as well. But I ordered these in colors just in case I wanted to have some colorful ones as well as the black and white ones that I like from Saya Planning. So that's what I have from Fern Creek Stickers. So let's take a look at what I have from Planner Kate. Okay, so here's Planner Kate's card. This is her website and where you can find her on social media. And then she has a 20% discount code, which is PKLove20. So that's her card. And then let's start with all the little freebies we have here. So we've got some colorful dots here, some basic labels. These look like half boxes. I've got some mixed scripts, family time, happy mail, those kinds of things. We've got here some little pastel shaded boxes, payday flags, and then more scripts. Kit font, also available in custom. So you've got pay bills, payday, to go, to do, those kinds of things. So those are all of the freebies. And then let's start with kit. This is kit 552, and this one is called Autumn Blooms, and I thought it was gorgeous, friends. I bought all the things. You'll see, I want to use this for more than 1 week. Maybe it's this year I use it, but I wanted to have it for next year if I don't use it for 2 weeks in this, what's left of this year. But isn't this gorgeous? So here's the sampler page. Look at this washi. Like, is that me or what? Like, this is just all the beautiful colors. I love this. I really like her format with her sampler too. I love these scripts. They're lots of fun. Stitch boxes, appointment labels, flag boxes, decorative boxes. So lots of fun things. Plus a full box here. These little flags are cute, the little asterisks. You get a lot of different things. There's a variety of different kinds of stickers on her sampler, which is really nice. So I also bought the deluxe washi again, because look at how gorgeous this is. So this is that similar print, but with a white background. Isn't that pretty? I just think it's so pretty. And then I did get the full boxes. Look at this box. This is gorgeous. Like usually when I'm picking things, it's because I see like one piece of the pattern or a full box or a washi strip that just grabs me, and these just totally grabbed me. I just think they're gorgeous. And then look at this big print here. That is so pretty. Okay, and then like I said, I loved it so much. I got the thin washi too. So I have that. And then I got this wide washi because I love this. I don't know, who knows where I'll use it. I don't know what I'm gonna do. And then I did buy the stitched boxes because I bought 2 sets of brushstroke date headers, again, because I wanted to try to make 2 weeks out of it. But I also bought both of the journal kit pages. So this is page 1 and this is page 2, because this is so gorgeous. I loved it. And I had this maybe 2 weeks ago. I planned with a journaling page because they didn't have the sampler, and I had a lot of fun with it. I loved using all these little circles and the half circles here and these kind of shapes, the brush strokes. It was just really a lot of fun. So I'm just buying these now just to kind of have as a weekly spread. So like I could do a week with just these pages and some of the extra washi and some of the extra boxes. So I think that's enough for definitely getting 2 weeks. So isn't this gorgeous? Look at how pretty this is. I just love this kit. Okay, so that was Autumn Blooms again, kit 552. Okay, so that's that one. And then next I have, this is kit 554. It's a mini kit and it's called Thankful. I was thinking maybe I'll use this during the Thanksgiving week. We'll see. Again, so I have this sampler sheet, which I love. Look at the little shoe and the little paw print here and a little stethoscope for doctor appointments. I loved the colors. Like I just felt it was really vibrant for like Thanksgiving time and the holiday time. I loved it. And not quite the like dark moody colors that we see a lot of. So here is the deluxe washi, which this is so pretty. I love this sort of brush stroke look. And then, you know, I love a good polka dot and just sort of like a little plaid here. And then I have the full boxes. This is cute, the little dinner plate with a napkin and a little gourd there. It says thanks. This is a nice box too. Isn't it pretty? I just love the colors. And then I did the brushstroke date headers. Again, I love this color. It's such a rich turquoise. And then the journal kit, pages 1 and 2. Aren't these fun? Look at this, how cute. Like a little dinner going on here. There's a little honey there. And again, just that pretty pumpkins and gourds. It says thanks there. And this beautiful brushstroke look. I love that. So that's 554, Thankful. And then my last one, this is kit 546. And it's called Spooky. So this is sheet 2. And this is sheet 1, so I will use this in my Erin Condren monthly, which I use as my social media planner. I liked this washi, like I loved the different colors. So it's definitely Halloween, October themed, but it's kind of untraditional with these pretty, like kind of that tealy green gray there, and then the blue in the background. You've got some bats, and then the jack-o'-lantern and the pumpkins. I love this stripe. I just thought it was super cute. You've got some holidays here, scripts. And then I got the second page because I wanted all these boxes for my social media. So between these boxes here on this page and this one, I should have plenty. And then this is cute too. I really like this extra boxes there. So that's it. So that's gonna get me, I think I have all of my monthlies now for October and November. I need to start filming October monthlies in advance here while I'm still in September because I'm going to be traveling for work. My big meeting's coming up, so I'm super busy. So I wanted to get everything together and in hand now so I can plan as early in advance as I hope I can. So let me pull everything together for one last look. Alrighty friends, I think you can see a little bit of everything, at least of all of the different patterns and prints for the kits that I got. This is such an exciting haul for me. I just think these are gorgeous, gorgeous kits. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're set for your kits for the upcoming months and getting into the fall holiday season. Alrighty friends, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.